The little bunny is buying a rolled ice cream and we're gonna watch how this is being prepared. MJ, come on, you watch. Wow. Ano yan, that yogurt? That's yogurt? Or what? Milk? Is that milk? Then they have like chocolate powder. What flavor did you order, darling?
Chocolate.
Chocolate flavor.
Malamig yung ano eh, surface niya.
Ah.
Kaya mag-solidify siya.
Kung ano, bilis lang. Parang in less than 1 minute. Oh, ice cream na siya, no? Galing. Hi, Bunny. Are you excited?
Para lang siya nagmasilda ng ano, diba? Pintura, diba?
Ayan. Parang nagmamasilya daw. What do you call that? Rolled ice cream? Darling?
Nakaroon mo.
Oh yeah, it's done already. That's fast. It's pretty much 1 minute and 34 seconds preparation. Yay! There you are. It's so fast. I'm for sure it's gonna be yummy. So they're going to put some toppings. Yeah, they will put. Ayan. Ayan na. Mabilis lang. So, ganun lang pala yung pag-prepare ng rolled ice cream. Chocolate flavor. Oh. That's really yummy. There you are, Bunny. Come on, you taste it. I want to see your reaction. Come on. You taste it. Come on, you taste. Sarap? Huh? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yan. Happy na siya. Oh, come on, let's go.
Paano ko bibili yung BLT?
Doon na, pag-ikot.